Hi everyone, welcome back to programming tutorial. Today we are going to continue with switch structure. Switch structure allows us to select from multiple choices based on constant values. Let's say if you want to use several if and else if instruction to check values, it could better use switch structure instead of this. And we can also find this in different exercises. If you want to look for a month of the year, by the number of the user input. Let's say it's going to input 3 and then it's going to tell you it is March. For the 12 it's going to tell you December. For other numbers it will tell you a month name. You could also construct this using if-else structures, but you will need a lot of else-if conditions. Instead of this, you can use the switch condition. Now we can see it in the program. We go to code blocks. In the code blocks, I'm going to first introduce a value integer. Example, I'm going to write there month. And then I'll ask user enter a month number. And then he's going to input by this code line. And now instead of if, I'm going to write there only switch. And it's going to come up there. You can just press tab and it's going to write automatically. Now the value that we're going to write here will be the main value, which will be checked in the conditions, in the cases. We're going to look for the months, and that's why I'm going to write here month value. And after that I'm going to open curly brackets as usual and write there cases. Case 1. And it means when you type number 1, it will catch this case and whatever you write is going to execute. Example, I want from him to write it is January. No, it is January, only January. It is January. Alright? And then I'm going to put here break. And after that I will do case 2. And in case 2 it's going to be February. It is February. And break. Now I would like to tell you why do we use breaks. Let's say your program will catch only one value. If it catches this, it will let him to print it is January, and after that it's going to exit from this whole condition. I would like to show the difference of the using break and not using in executing the program. I'm going to execute this and write there 1, and it will print me only it is January. It didn't go to another case because break let me exit from whole conditions. But what if I disable this break? Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm going to write there only 1, and this time it printed it is January and it is February. So as you see, this break works to not let you go in other cases. We need to use this break if you want your program to execute only one case. Okay, it separates them. And I'm going to continue with the case 3 and see out. I will say it is March. And break. I can copy paste after that. Okay, I wrote till December, and now let's see how does it work. I'm going to write here, let's say 10. It will tell me it is October, and right there 6 is going to tell me June. And what if I write a number which excels these all the cases? I write there, let's say 15. Now this time it doesn't tell me anything. I want from the system tell me this is a wrong input. For that reason, I need to write here on default and cout. So default will be active when in case your input is away from these cases. Let's say I will write there wrong input. Alright. And let's try it again. I'll write there 15 and now it tells me wrong input. You can also solve other problems using this method, such as finding the days of the weeks or the seasons of the year. You can use these exercises to understand it better. By this program we found the name of the month using the number of the month in the year. And now I would like to take your attention to another exercise in which we're gonna find the how many days are there in the months. This time we're gonna write the number of the month and it will return us how many days will exist in the month. Example, you're gonna write 2 and it's going to return 28 because there are 28 days in the February. You write 12, you mean December, and it will tell you there are 31 days. Let's do that program. I will keep it same and only change the cases. Alright, just delete this part. Now when we look at the months, we will see that case 2 is the exception because only February lasts till 28 days. The rest of the days mostly 30 and 31. We will start with case 2, and if the case 2 is written on a program, we will return them cout. It has 28 days. There are 4 months last till 30 days: the February, June, September and November. So they are the 4th, 6th, 9th and 11th months. I can write them, I can use these cases in the one row like this: case 4, case 6 and case 9. And finally I'll write there case 11. If one of them is written in the program as an input 4, 6, 9 and 11, we will ask program to execute these code lines. It has 30 days. For the rest of the months it will be 31 days. So I don't need to write the rest of the months like 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, like 10, 12. Instead of this, I can write this into the default. So if you don't write these numbers, you're gonna type something else, and these other months will has 31 days. I'll write there it has 31 days. Alright, so let me run this program. I'm going to write there 5. It says it has 35 days. No, Let's run the program. I write there 5. It says it has 31 days, so May has 31 days. Let's try for the April. Hey, check this out. When I tried the fourth one, it said to me it has 30 days and it has 31 days. It happened because of the case I forgot to put there, and I also forgot to put to break here, and I will put here also. Now let's run the program again. I write there 4 and it will tell me it has 30 days. Let's try also the number 2, and it will tell me it has 28 days. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I tried to explain conception of this switch, and we will also have more exercises in the following tutorial. See you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.